Hey everyone, and welcome back. If you're hunting for a mid-budget smartphone that boasts genuinely incredible camera quality, and we're talking camera quality that might even eclipse the iPhone, then you absolutely need to stick around and hear about this upcoming Nokia powerhouse. According to leaks and whispers, Nokia is apparently gearing up to unleash a beast, with a 150-megapixel DSLR quality camera, and a colossal 7500 mAh battery backup. Yes, you heard that right. We're talking about the highly anticipated Nokia Lumia 500 Ultra 5G smartphone. If this jaw-dropping phone has already caught your eye, then you'll want to watch this video right to the end. We're breaking down the full leaked features, price, and that all-important launch date. Let's dive in. Nokia Lumia 500 Ultra 5G spectacular features. Display. First off, let's talk about the visual experience. The Nokia Lumia 500 Ultra 5G is expected to sport a massive 6.76-inch QHD Plus Super AMOLED display. Get ready for absolutely stunning visuals and vibrant colors. But it's not just big and beautiful, it's fast. We're looking at a blazing fast 144Hz refresh rate for silky smooth scrolling and gaming. For protection, anticipate Corning Gorilla Glass 6 and an IP68 rating, keeping it safe from dust and water. And of course, it includes an ultra-fast in-display fingerprint sensor for quick and secure access. Camera setup. Now for the main event, the camera, which is arguably this phone's biggest strength. Get ready for this number, a groundbreaking 150-megapixel primary sensor. That's right, 150 megapixels. But the brilliance doesn't stop there. To make your photography even more professional, you also get 3 more camera sensors. A 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 24-megapixel macro camera, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. And for all you selfie lovers out there, the front-facing camera is getting the flagship treatment too, with a high-resolution 50-megapixel front camera. Performance. When it comes to processing power, this smartphone is tipped to feature the exceptional Snapdragon 8s Gen 4 flagship processor. This chip is designed to handle professional-level gaming, demanding apps, and seamless multitasking without breaking a sweat. As for the operating system, it's rumored to launch with the cutting-edge Android 16 operating system, ensuring you get the latest features, security, and top-tier performance right out of the box. Battery backup. Next up is the battery, and Nokia is not holding back. The Lumia 500 Ultra 5G is expected to pack a gigantic 7500 mAh battery. Seriously, this massive capacity could easily keep you going for more than a day. And when you finally do need to top it up, you won't be waiting long. It's set to include blazing 120-watt super-fast charging capability via a USB Type-C charging socket. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk price and availability. The price is rumored to hover around the $500 mark. Considering the powerhouse features we've just discussed, that could be an absolutely phenomenal deal. As for the launch date, well, that's still under wraps. Unfortunately, there's been no official confirmation from Nokia just yet. So, there you have it, the truly sensational leaked features of the Nokia Lumia 500 Ultra 5G. Which feature of this incredible smartphone are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below.